Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to show you has been verified by the experts here in the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. If your Toyota shows the message hybrid system stopped, it's basically saying, hey, I need a moment. I can't move you like I should. This alert can be scary because the car literally stops responding as if something is broken, but mechanics in the shop notice a pattern. Most of the time, it's not a serious failure, just something that can be solved with a few simple checks. A very common culprit, according to real experiences, is a low fuel level. Even though it sounds simple, the hybrid system needs enough gasoline to start the combustion engine, which in turn helps charge the hybrid battery. Many people report that adding a bit of fuel made the message disappear and the car started working normally. This ties directly into another key factor, the 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery is small but extremely important. Besides powering accessories, it helps start the entire hybrid system. If it's weak or discharged, for example, after leaving the car parked for several days, the system can think there's a problem and display the hybrid system stopped message. In the shop, there are plenty of cases where recharging or replacing this battery allowed the car to start normally again. Sometimes the alert appears because the system just needs a quick reset. Some owners report that simply turning the car off, waiting a few seconds, and trying again allowed the system to sync and return to normal. This is especially common if you tried starting too quickly or immediately after turning the car off. Another factor often mentioned in forums is cold weather. Below freezing temperatures can affect sensors and electronic modules, or even cause moisture to interfere with connections. Many noticed that after warming up the car a bit or waiting for the outside temperature to rise, the message disappeared without needing any replacements. In more serious cases, when none of this works, the problem may be internal failures in the electrical system or hybrid modules. Keep in mind, if the simple steps don't solve it, you should take the car to a shop for a professional scan to detect issues in the hybrid transmission or control modules. While less common, these cases show why it's always worth checking the easy fixes first before considering expensive repairs.